Hi, and welcome to the EarSonics Crash Course. EarSonics is based in France, right here, north of the city of Montpellier. They have a big building for making such tiny little in-ear monitors. EarSonics was founded about 10 years ago by Frank Lopez. Frank plays bass and still does roughly about 30 shows a year. EarSonics is deeply rooted in live, uncompressed and dynamic music, and a ton of artists are using them. David Guetta, Elvis Costello, Johnny Holiday, Stromae, just to name a few. In terms of product design, on the market today there are two main kinds of earphones. The ones using dynamic drivers, which are typically found in entry-level earbuds, and then ones based on balanced armature drivers, which are much more expensive and allow multi-driver designs. 100% of EarSonics products are using balanced armature designs. At the time of this video, EarSonics has 6 different models of universal fit in-ear monitors, divided into 2 main categories. The reference models, which are the SEM6V2 and the SEM9s, are using respectively 6 and 9 drivers, are manufactured the same way that EarSonics makes their custom models. For custom models, you start with the customer's ear print, trim the extra parts off, make small adjustments to the mold, and then proceed to a 3D scan. Further refinements are done to smooth out certain parts. Then the 3D model shell is emptied out, candle for the drivers added to the model, etc. Then the shell 3D printing can begin on a rapid shape liquid resin printer. As mentioned previously, custom models as well as the EM6 and the SEM9s are manufactured the same way. Since we could not really film the process from too close, here's a shot of the process on a completely different product, obviously not an in-ear model. You can see layers of liquid resin being exposed layers by layers so they can solidify. The process for an in-ear shell takes about an hour and a half and takes 350 layers to complete. The 3D printed shell needs a lot more additional sanding to make it absolutely smooth before the assembly can begin. Here we can see a custom model being assembled. At the end of the process, a layer of lacquer is applied, and as you can see here, it's applied on a custom ear pad. The lacquer is then cured with UV lights and the entire assembly is sealed. Here you can see the assembly process on a different model, the AS3, a 3-driver universal fit model. Passive crossover is assembled along with all the multiple drivers, following a detailed schematic. The balanced armature drivers are installed into the injection molded shell and then carefully closed and sealed using a torque screwdriver. Made in France, the EarSonics range of in-ear monitors are truly designed and manufactured with passion by a team of engineers, artists, and musicians.